Plant FAQs. Nepenthes rafflesiana. For any plant enthusiast, the carnivorous world holds a unique allure. There's something undeniably fascinating about a plant that not only thrives, but actively hunts for its prey. That's what initially drew me to Nepenthes rafflesiana, also known as Raffles pitcher plant. This captivating carnivore, with its stunning pitcher traps, quickly became a prized possession in my greenhouse. See more 207 species in genus Nepenthes at monsteraholic.com. Carnivorous plants come in various shapes and sizes, but Nepenthes hold a special place. Unlike the snap traps of Venus flytraps or the sticky pads of sundews, Nepenthes utilize a passive trapping method. Their modified leaves morph into elaborate pitcher-shaped structures, brimming with a potent digestive fluid. These pitchers are the stars of the show, and Nepenthes rafflesiana boasts some of the most captivating ones. The pitchers of Nepenthes rafflesiana are a masterclass in tropical flair. They range in size from a few centimeters to a whopping 1 meter in some giant forms. Their hues vary from deep red to green, often adorned with a mesmerizing pattern of crimson speckles. These visual treats not only entice prey, but also make them a captivating addition to any collection. Beyond beauty, the botanical marvel of Nepenthes rafflesiana. The captivating looks of Nepenthes rafflesiana are just the tip of the iceberg. Delving deeper, we discover a plant with a fascinating story to tell. But first, let's address the question, why is Nepenthes rafflesiana classified under the Nepenthaceae family? This classification stems from a shared set of characteristics. All members of the Nepenthaceae family are carnivorous, utilizing pitcher traps for capturing prey. They also share specific anatomical features, such as tendrils that help them climb and a unique leaf structure that predisposes them to form the iconic pitcher traps. Nepenthes rafflesiana, however, stands out even within this remarkable family. Its incredible variability is a source of constant intrigue. Across its vast range, spanning Borneo, Sumatra, Peninsular Malaysia, and even Singapore, numerous forms and varieties of Nepenthes rafflesiana exist. Some boast giant pitchers rivaling those of the famed Nepenthes raja, while others showcase a dazzling array of color variations. This diversity makes them a captivating subject for both casual admirers and dedicated carnivorous plant enthusiasts. How to care for Nepenthes rafflesiana. The beauty and intrigue of Nepenthes rafflesiana naturally lead to the question, how do I care for this captivating carnivore? Here are some key things to remember. Tropical paradise. Nepenthes rafflesiana thrives in warm, humid environments. Aim for temperatures between 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 29 degrees Celsius, and high humidity levels, around 70% or more. Light and bright. While Nepenthes rafflesiana enjoys ample light, avoid harsh midday sun. Opt for filtered or indirect sunlight to ensure healthy growth. Water wisely. Use distilled water or rainwater to avoid mineral buildup. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. A feast for the fallen. While Nepenthes rafflesiana can capture prey on its own, you can supplement its diet with occasional offerings of insects like flies or bloodworms. How to propagate Nepenthes rafflesiana. The success with my Nepenthes rafflesiana naturally sparked a desire to propagate it. There are two main methods for propagating this fascinating plant. Leaf cuttings. This method involves taking healthy leaf cuttings and encouraging them to develop roots. While it requires patience, it's a rewarding way to create new plants. Division. If your Nepenthes rafflesiana has formed multiple basal shoots, you can carefully divide it to create separate plants. Sharing the stage. Companion planting for Nepenthes rafflesiana. Nepenthes rafflesiana may be the star of the show, but it doesn't have to go solo. Here are some suitable companion plants that thrive in similar conditions. Air plants. Tillandsia. These low-maintenance beauties add a touch of whimsy without competing for resources. Begonias. Certain begonia varieties share Nepenthes rafflesiana's humidity and temperature preferences. Ferns. Ferns not only contribute to a lush, tropical feel, but also appreciate the high humidity levels. With a little research and care, Nepenthes rafflesiana can become a thriving resident in your greenhouse. The combination of its captivating looks, fascinating biology, and the thrill of cultivation make it a truly rewarding addition to any collection. As I've witnessed firsthand, The pictures not only add a touch of the exotic, but also function as a conversation starter, captivating anyone who lays eyes on them. Nepenthes rafflesiana has become a source of constant wonder, a testament to the incredible diversity and ingenuity of the plant world. The journey of caring for it, from ensuring the perfect environment to witnessing the development of new pitchers, is a continuous learning experience. Whether you're a seasoned carnivorous plant enthusiast or simply someone drawn to the unique and captivating, Nepenthes rafflesiana offers a window into a world where beauty and function intertwine in a truly remarkable way.